In front of me is Nubia RedMagic 11A, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display section available here. Now you need to select Font and operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!